Welcome to Amazing Growth. This is Antoinette Hunter again with my beautiful princess Amira. I am a teacher and a developmental intervention specialist. I work with children. My world is Kids World, and Kids World is my world. I love families. I love to interact with kids. I like to hear their voices and how they exploit on different things and how they manipulate objects. So today we are going to be working on 5 senses. What's inside the box? We have a guessing game today.
Yeah.
So we're going to use our 5 senses. With my eyes, I can see. Peekaboo. With my ears, I can hear. I can listen and I can hear, right?
Yeah.
You can hear with your ears. With my nose, I can smell. You can smell things. And with your tongue, what do you do with your mouth? Your tongue, you can taste. You taste things, right?
It's a lollipop.
You taste lollipops. And with your hands, you can touch and feel things, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have cards. Yeah. What is this, Amira? What punctuation is this?
It's blue.
What is it? What punctuation is this?
Question mark.
Very good. It's a question mark. That means we're going to ask you some question, right?
Yeah.
A question mark asks a question. So the question is going to be a surprise question. Are you excited? Yeah.
Me too.
So we have our 5 senses. We're going to explore with our science. We're going to incorporate visual. To see, everything is actually visual, the 5 senses, because we can see everything that we do. So I'm going to take out, we also have our 5 senses cards here. So now this is what we're going to do. I have the sense of touch here.
Hands.
That's your hands, you touch with your hands. Very good.
Yeah.
And you sight, you see with your
Eyes.
eyes. Very good. You see your eyes right there?
Oh no.
And we taste with our
Mouth.
very good. And we smell with our
Nose.
very good. And then we listen with our
Ears.
very good. So you put it on the table. So we have a sound, we have a smell, and we have our taste, and we have our sight, which is our eyes for peekaboo, and then we have our touch. So Amira, question mark. Let's see what's in the box. Put your hands inside. Pick your card. Pick it up. Wow! How is it?
It's Lala's face fluffy.
It is soft and fluffy. That's very good. Where do you want to put it when you touch it? What do you use to touch it with? You use your hands, right? So it goes right there with touch. Now let's check it again. Find something else inside. Peekaboo. Let's see. One. Wow! What is that? What is this? It's a porcupine, okay? The spikes are not so sharp. They're soft, but the porcupine spikes in real life are really sharp. Okay?
Yeah.
That's feeling, you're touching it with your hands. Let's find another one. And you're also using your eyes to see, so it can work for sight and also for touch.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo, pick another one. What's inside?
No way.
This is actually a worm, right? Yeah, right? I don't like the way it feels.
Let's mom.
Let's see. right? Or presents. You gotta.
Present.
It is presents. It's square too, right? That's a cube. Okay.
No.
What color is it?
It's green.
It's green. Let's see what's in here. Find it. What's in there? Fish. Okay, you put the fish there. Very good. So you touch. It's touch. Very good. Oh, find it. Put your hands in. Good.
It's my scared.
You're scared? Try it again. Try it again. Good. Yeah, put your hands. It's not gonna bite you. Grab it quick. Good again. Put your hand. Go ahead, grab it. Grab it.
I can't.
Why not? Get it.
Got it.
Wow, what did you find?
It's dark.
A star. What color is your star?
It's red.
Red star. You put in. Find another one. What's that? That's a feather. Wow! This is a feather. It's soft, right? And then you have something else. Go ahead. Find it. What's that?
The sun is rock.
That's like actually like a cap to cover something like a wine bottle cap. Wow, bells are ringing. That's a bell.
Yes,
Shake. You hear the sound? What do you hear? You can hear sound. Where does it go with your ears?
Yes.
You can also touch sound.
It's a rock.
That's a rock. Is this rough or smooth?
It's
rock. It's a rock and it's very rough. Do you hear the sound? Is it making a sound? That's for the sound right there. Now, Amira, all of these things for touch, you can also see them. So we're going to put the touch along with the sight, because you can touch it and you can see it at the same time, right? So we combine them together because you use your eyes and your hands. Amira, the next thing right now is smell. So we're going to open this. Can we open?
Okay, yes.
Okay, yes.
Okay.
Wow. This is actually...
Packet.
Well, let's see, Amira. Oh, this is honey. This is
Honey.
This is sweet.
Yes.
And this right here is lemon. What do you think it tastes like? This is lemon. And this is actually honey. And what else can we taste?
And make it slime.
This is soy sauce.
Let's make it slime.
Well, we're not gonna make it slime, Amira. You wanna make it slime?
Yeah.
I don't have the ingredients to make a slime. We can make a slime next time. Oh, where is Amira? I'm gonna tell you later. I'm not gonna say this now. If I say it now, she won't try. Okay, so can we open it? You wanna smell it? See if it has any smell. Let's open it first. Open. No, let me open this one first. Are you ready to taste it?
Yeah.
Okay, open. Taste. Smell it. Do you smell anything? Let's see here. Put your hands. What is it?
It's a lemon.
It's lemon? How does it taste?
It tastes sour.
It tastes sour? Okay, let's try this one. Try this one. What is this one?
Okay. It tastes honey.
It tastes sweet? Good job. What about this one? Let's try this one.
Okay.
What about this one?
Ew! It tastes salt.
You don't like it?
No.
That's the soy one? The soy sauce? Amira doesn't like the soy sauce. And let's try this one. Let me see. Did we try everything? You like that one a lot, right? You like that one.
Yeah. No. It is good.
Okay, now we have this one now. We're gonna try the gluten. Try this one.
Okay. I it.
Try that one.
Ew.
It's okay, try it.
Ew.
What is it?
It tastes salt. It tastes poo. It tastes.
Amira, what does it taste like?
This tastes raw.
It's not poop.
Why?
It tastes spicy. That's what it tastes like.
Spicy? It's not poop. It's spicy. It's spicy.
Yes, it's not poop, it's spicy. Miss Hunter would never give you poop, right? This one, that one was spicy, right? You don't like the way that tastes?
No.
You don't?
I'm not done.
Okay, so now, does it smell? Do you smell it? So all of this should go where?
Ooh,
Where should you put this?
honey.
Where it's taste. So what did you use? You're gonna put this on taste, right?
Taste.
And then you're gonna put this right here too on taste and smell. So you taste and you smell it together, right? So this one right here is sound. Do you hear my sound? And what about this one? Is magnifying glass you used to see. Now look at this. Look at the object. Use them for science.
Why is it bigger?
It's bigger?
Yes.
It is. Try the rock. See how big is the rock?
What's bigger too?
The rock is bigger too. Very good.
It's a goldfish.
And then we have our...
It's bigger.
Okay. So I have the cards here. I have a few cards here, Amira.
Wow, it's big. Okay, next is fluffy. Let's make bigger too. Okay, stars. Wow, let's make bigger too. And then fluffy. I got it. Wow, let's make it too.
So now we want to see which one of these things...
No.
Amira, can we stop? Yes, listening? Now, can you put the cards where they belong? What do you do with the cat? Is it for touch or smell? Do you touch or smell? You
Touch.
So where should it go? Right there, right?
Touch.
And what about your eyes? What do you do with your eyes? You can see.
I see.
Very good. And what do you do with these? What do you hear? Is it for music, sound?
Yeah, mother sound.
Very good. And the next thing is, Amira, how about the lemon? Is it for taste?
Taste.
And what about this one?
No.
The perfume.
It's taste.
Taste. Very good. Good job, Amira. What about the perfume? Do you smell it when you spray? Yes,
Smell it.
smell with your nose. Very good. How about the rose? Smell it? Good job. Very good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.